Monday. Happy Monday, and welcome back to my channel for another YouTube video. Look at me. It's Monday, and here we are with another YouTube video. I'm gonna say it because obviously you guys are watching me on the other side of the screen, so you can't sing it to me, so I'm gonna sing it to myself. Go little rock star. I'm excited. I have something fun today. These little not rhinestone. We're making these little mirrors. I also made a comb. I didn't make the comb in the video. I made this on a reel for Instagram, but it's the exact same concept. You put a little bit of glitter in your UV resin, you put it in the mold, and you cure it under the light. It's that simple. I'm super excited. I think this is so beautiful. It's got a lot of really beautiful details. I made two separate ones. I just wanted to try different color seashells. Not seashells. These are like different color little accents that I found at the Hooby Looby. But when I look at these things, you want to know what I think? Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? That's what I think when I see these. I don't know, they're just so pretty. Up where they walk, up where they talk. Wait, is that what it says? Where we can play all day in the sun. God, it's been so long since I've watched The Little Mermaid, but The Little Mermaid is one of my favorite movies. You know what? I'm gonna watch it today. I think that's what needs to happen. Anyway, I've got a lot more YouTube video content coming. There's gonna be another YouTube video Wednesday and another YouTube video on Saturday. Who do I think I am? If you are here and you are watching me, please hit that like and that subscribe button, ring the bell, leave a note, leave a comment, tell your neighbor, tell your friend, tell your Sancho, tell your husband, tell your boyfriends, everybody, okay? Because Myra Makes It has big goals that she wants to set. And if you enjoy my video, oh no, the drawer is open. Oh no, there's a trash bag on my shelf. If you enjoy my videos and you like to be here watching them, please hit that like and subscribe, because you know what, guys? Myra Makes It. She's dreaming about that YouTube plaque, and you know what? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. If I have to sell one of my kids, I will. For legal purposes, I am totally kidding. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it for me. Enjoy the video. I love you so much. I could die. Besito. I love this little comb so much. I was totally going for Little Mermaid vibes, which is why I chose those two colors. Now, I'm not gonna actually be making that, but I just wanted to show you how pretty it was, and it's the exact same concept. So we're gonna be using Frosted Tulip from Maestro Creations, and we're gonna be using Resin Rockers UV resin. I've been trying it out recently, and I really, really, really like it. I don't have a discount code or anything yet because I am kind of looking around for all the products that I like. And you know that I always test products out a lot before I start recommending them and doing all of that stuff. So I have been testing this one out and I really like it. It's called Resin Rockers, and it's like water. It's so crystal clear and it cures really fast, which I like that because a lot of people, that's their number one complaint, is having issues with the curing time. Anyway, so I think I put about 12 mLs of the UV resin in my little medicine cup, and I put like 4 or 5 scoops of the glitter with my little popsicle stick, and I thought it was just a little thick like me, so I just wanted to add a little more UV resin to make it just a little more loosey-goosey, like you back in the day. Okay, I'm kidding. Take it easy. Take it easy. All right, so after I do that, I just want to make it a little bit more runny. See how I lift my little popsicle stick and it just kind of hangs like a booger when you're really, really, really sick and you just can't stop them from just leaking out? That's how runny you want it. Now, I am going to go ahead and just fill the entire mold, but don't fill it all the way to the tippy top because we are going to still put another coat of UV resin over this. So fill it, but not all the way to the top. And so what I'm doing is I'm just filling every little crevice of this UV resin mold. Now, guys, This glitter looks freaking beautiful. It's like a pastel pink metallic. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. Like I'm gonna probably be using this on Saturday's tutorial because it's just beautiful. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just spreading out the UV resin evenly so it's all over the mat. And I take one of those little lighter, kitchen lighter things, and I just kind of pop the bubbles that are lingering at the very top. And then I take 99% alcohol and I spray it because as you can see, that pops the last little bit of bubbles. But before I put it under the light, I'm gonna take these little mirrors, this little resin mold mirror. It's the perfect size. It was designed to go with this. I got all of this stuff at Hobby Lobby with the exception of the glitter and the UV lamp. I'm gonna link everything in the description. And I know a lot of you don't have a Hobby Lobby, so I'm gonna see if I can find substitutes for the molds and the little accessories on Amazon for you. Now, once I have my mirror placed and I like where it is, I set it under the UV lamp for about, I think I did a full 3 minutes, and then I flipped it over on the back just to make sure that it fully cured on both sides. And I did 3 minutes and I did 3 minutes on the back as well. That's the important thing about molds for UV resin. They need to be that like transparent color so that that UV light can penetrate it and cure the back part too. So I added about 5 more mLs of UV resin with the same glitter, and I'm kind of carefully, very carefully putting it around the mirror. Why? Because the mirror stands up a little bit, like above the resin. So you want to add just a little bit more UV resin to kind of hide the sides of the mirror so that it looks like it belongs inside of the mold, if that makes any sense. And once I get it nice and spread out, I used my little silicone brush and just kind of pushed it, did the same thing, popped the bubbles, did my little alcohol spray. And then before you put it in the UV lamp, take those accessories and start placing them wherever you want. There's no rhyme or reason. There's not a limit of that you can do. But while I was walking around Hobby Lobby and I saw this, I saw all these little things, I was like, I immediately thought Ariel. You know, from The Little Mermaid, and how she likes to collect all those gadgets and all those things. And I just immediately like visualized like a mirror and a comb with all of those things. And you can do any color that you want. And you don't even have to do glitter. If glitter's not your thing, you could just do some sort of color pigment mica powder in the UV resin and go about it that way. But obviously I love glitter. So, but the combinations are endless. Like you could have done blue with all of these pretty accents. But this is going to my niece, my sister's daughter, and my sister loves rose gold. So I just thought this would be perfect. And once I placed them exactly where I wanted them, I did another 3 minutes under the lamp. And when I pulled it out after 3 minutes, it was completely hard and cured on both sides. After I did 3 minutes over the little accessories, I flipped it and did another minute on the back just to make sure. And as you can see, as I'm pulling it out of the mold, it's good to go. It's hard as a rock. Hey, you thought I was gonna say something else, huh? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on Wednesday for another video. Besitos.